And the next question is, how has your YouTube journey been so far? Like, yo, welcome back to 876 and Chill. It's your yard boy Stretch.
And your island girl Raquel.
So we're back with another video. This is gonna be table talk. Yo, that will be epic. So we're gonna be doing Q&A for this table talk.
We posted on our social media platform for you guys to ask us some questions, and we are very excited to answer all your questions. But first, have you subscribed to 876 and Chill? Is your subscribe button red? If it's red, you never subscribe. Press it right now. And click the bell for all notifications.
Yeah.
So guys, before we get into this video, we would like to shout out the first 10 persons from our previous videos who commented first. Welcome to the Big Up segment! Let's go.
Take it away.
So, the first person, as the video drop, girl have our notification on. Shakira Dunkley, big up yourself.
Straight. Yo, Christina, big up yourself. We'll see you in the comments.
See you every week.
Yeah.
Forever Chevron J, sooner down there, now have a happy time, go and big up on yourself.
Yo, that person new to the page, that person named Daniel King. Yo, see you in the comment section.
Big up yourself.
You see me I say?
Next person, a long time friend, invested Steven Curtis. We see you over there every day, keeping it real. Go and big up yourself.
Which is right, straight. Yo, Tristan, we'll see you in the comment section. We'll see you. Be things you go out with. Big up yourself.
Daniel James, big up yourself.
Yes. You know what?
I call it wrong? What's your name?
It's Daniel Jones. Yeah,
Oh,
my friend.
I'm so sorry.
She did it. She said James. See me I say Jones, Miss Jones.
Miss Jones, big up yourself.
See me I say time with Rochelle. We'll see you in the comment section. Yeah, big up yourself.
The other person, Fabian Anthony, go and big up yourself.
See me I say Sister Brown, Miss Karen Brown. It's Karen Wright. I've said right, is it Miss Wright? Big up yourself, we'll see you in the comment section.
And last but not least, a bonus person, because her and Karen comment at the same time. Big up yourself, Nora Bennett.
Boom, straight.
So guys, let's get into the video.
Straightforward.
Stop. Wait. Guys, please remember to follow us on all our social media platforms. Follow us at 876 and Chill on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram at 876n Chill. And we're now on Snapchat, and we'd like you to follow us on Snapchat at 876n Chill. So let's get right into it.
Good.
You ready?
Yeah, so I'm reading the first question. So, the first question is, what inspired you to start a YouTube channel?
Okay, so previously in our Come Back We Talk video, I'll put the link up top, right? I told you guys that I've always wanted to do this. It was,
Your idea.
Okay, it was my idea, and Romain tagged along to help me out, and I'm so happy that he did. So the inspiration was just me wanting to share how beautiful Jamaica is, and on the way we added a few challenges and stuff. So what inspired you to start helping me?
I know I have the free time, you see me, plus I don't use little equipments. So, she asked me, I'm sorry I help her because she kind of shy and everything. So
Yeah.
I just come forward and just help her and thing. And she said, since I'm behind the scene, why not just join her and thing, you see me? So here I am in the scenes on the front line. So yeah. Alright. So next question, right? It's Romain, who is your favorite disc jockey? I was a DJ Bambino. It's me I say Bambino. Trevor Afki straight. Yo, what more you reckon?
I don't know any disc jockeys.
Serious?
I am not that.
Oh shit, we forgot Noah Paul. Come to Noah Paul.
I don't know only also.
Shit, Noah Paul bad too.
I only know Bambino because of Trevor Afki.
Alright, so Trevor Afki, yeah. No. It's me I say Noah Paul, big up yourself. It's me I say IG, hold it. Alright, so the next question is this, guys. So, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Big people question that, you know.
Is what I say.
So you have to answer like you're big.
You answer first.
No man, you go first.
Alright, 5 years from now, we're gonna see myself. You will see myself in many places, maybe a different country. I'm just saying, like everybody want to travel. Maybe Bora Bora, I don't know. Everybody want to Bora Bora, but in 5 years time, I guess I should see myself as a business person. You know, only political different things, settle down, family, everything, you see it, and something alright as well. Just that say. What will you reckon?
Alright, in the next 5 years time, I see myself owning my own business, also
Definitely.
owning my own home,
Definitely.
you know, maybe on the verge of finishing school and starting my family.
Good. Nice. Alright. So I'll move on to the next question. If you could travel anywhere in the world, all expenses paid, name the 3 places you would travel. You are the first this
Oh
time,
God,
you
man.
will travel.
Alright
Yeah,
then.
that will.
So the first place, and anybody who know me supposed to can answer this. The
Restaurant.
them's the place.
It's not a place.
Place.
A place. Alright.
The first place I would go to, the first country I'd visit is Sydney, Australia. That's the first place I'd go to. The second place is Zimbabwe.
Africa.
Always want to the elephant them, want to the tigers, you know?
Elephant.
Yeah, elephant.
I want to say a giraffe.
And giraffes too.
Giraffe tall?
Yeah, and them gonna be the same height.
No, them taller than me.
Finally, I meet somebody taller than you because they run me
Yo.
and act like some short.
Oh, you're short, brother.
I'm doing short. Anyways, my final place is somewhere in the Caribbean. It's a combination of islands. So I don't know if you'd consider this as one place, but I'm going to tell you now that I would like to visit the ABC Islands, which is Antigua, Bermuda, and Curacao,
You're going well.
where you would have a KFC.
Why would I want to go? So she would? She a foodie, you know, KFC show I'm go.
Previous videos I've shown that we
Yeah.
are foodies.
Alright. I'm not gonna agree. I'm not gonna dispute that. I agree with that. I see. Alright, so the first place I want to go is Bora Bora. Yo, Bora Bora, pretty literally. As me I say. Second place, me want to go. Well, she kind of have the same idea. I want to go Australia, but I don't know if it's Sydney or anything like that. I want to go to the desert of Australia. Is it straight? Yeah. Next place I want to go Africa. With that South Africa or anywhere in Africa, as long as that
And you look for
Africa.
your friend?
The mother, yeah. I link up John.
Big up John.
Virgin John in the Africa, you see me, so I link him up one of them, yeah. Take a trip to Africa. The motherland.
You want to take you away?
Motherland. No, so I got blend in.
Actually.
Africa, yeah. You know, I look at someone. Alright, so the next question is, what is your greatest fear in life? What you fear in life?
serious question this now, man.
Yeah, man.
You go on first.
Alright, my biggest fear is losing the ones I love. My family.
Them can't hear you.
My family. That's my biggest fear. My family. Like,
Biggest fear of your family?
no. As in, the biggest fear is to lose my family. I'm not even hear the first part, but that's my biggest fear in our life right now. Literally.
My biggest fear is failing and disappointing my parents. Yeah, my big. But still, you know, I want to be that child that my parents can say, yeah man, my daughter this, share the good. And more of this, I want to be right beside them and say, yeah, I did this. I don't want to fail. I don't like losing. I don't want to fail. So that is my biggest fear.
Alright. Fair enough. Alright, so the next question is, what motivates you to keep on going? What motivates you? That let them know.
My motivation is my parents and myself. I motivate myself to go on, but behind my self-motivation, I also have my parents. Because like I said before, I don't want to disappoint them. I must be the price for them when they can say, oh yeah man, this is my daughter. My daughter, this is especially my daddy. And me one alone him having a more when him walk around him can say, oh my daughter Raquel. And the best thing since sliced bread.
Alright, for me, what motivates me is that, you know, every day I get up and you do something positive in your life and think and you look at it, you know. Make your parents proud, make everybody around you proud, do the best you can every day. And everything. So basically it's making everyone around you happy. That's what motivates me. The more I make people happy and the more I see people reaction to happiness, like you get a little spark there, you just continue.
Make it feel fuzzy inside.
Let's get a buzz. I don't know what shit that we get a buzz nice. See?
Guys, comment down below what keeps you going and what motivates you.
Yeah, I'm going to know. That's it. Alright, so the next question is, what is your favorite time of the year? When is your favorite time of the year for the part of people then?
My favorite time of the year is Christmas, birthday month, December. It's not because I get a heap of present, because I'm not get a heap of present. But if you guys want to make my Christmas this year, y'all can get me to 600 subscribers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Six.
That's a free gift. So you know, share the video, like the video, tell your friends them to come over here. You know, comment down below. We can interact in the comment section. So for
sure.
Christmas, get me 600 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Or get us 600 subscribers.
Alright, so my favorite time of the year. Can I have more than one?
It never the times. It's a time.
Alright. That's my birthday.
Smush them together.
That's my birthday.
So,
Yo, I anticipate my birthday every year. Like from the month start the countdown. Just start countdown. That's the best thing. Every day from my WhatsApp status, from my Facebook status, like I just start countdown to the day. D-Day. That's my favorite time of the year.